there's so much to love about Chinese vegetable stir fries? Simple, fast, tender and crisp. These side dishes never go out of style. If you have ever tried to make Chinese stir fry and not got that restaurant taste, I'm here to show you 2 simple, quick recipes. Stir frying adds a whole new dimension to your plain vegetables, but only if you do it right. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to make excellent Chinese food at home, and homemade is so much healthier than takeout. Let's go. First recipe is green beans and garlic, crunchy and fresh. For this we have 400 grams of green beans or French beans. First of all, we want to trim the beans. Leave them whole if they're young and tender. Otherwise, cut them in half or 2-inch pieces. Make sure you've removed the string. First, we're going to blanch the beans. We're going to add this to a saucepan of lightly salted boiling water, just until the beans start to turn a bright green color. Quickly drain these and plunge them into cold water to stop the cooking and to preserve the beans' bright color. Next, you want to chop the chilies and chop up the garlic. Heat the oil in a wok or frying pan. When it starts to smoke, add the crushed garlic to flavor the oil. Before the garlic changes color, add the beans and red chili and stir fry for about a minute. Add salt and sugar to taste. Stir fry a bit longer. In the end, add soy sauce to taste and just cook for 1 more minute. Serve this hot or cold. The next recipe is stir-fried Chinese greens. Don't we all love how stir-fried Chinese greens taste? For this, you need 450 grams of Chinese green spinach, any variety that you like. I like to use huilang. Wash the greens really well and trim off any tough roots. Discard any outer discolored leaves. Chop this up roughly. Cut the fresh ginger into thin slices. Also slice the red chili. Heat the oil in a wok until it smokes and swirl it to cover most of the surface. Add the fresh ginger pieces to flavor the oil. Also add the red chili. Add the greens, stir for about 1 minute. And then add the salt and sugar to taste. Continue stirring for another minute or so. Pour in the soy sauce last and cook for just a little longer. Serve hot. This dish is often used to add color to a meal. 2 fast and simple Chinese vegetable stir fries. I hope you try the recipes. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.